Hi guys! How's everyone? Hope all is well for you guys. Welcome back to Mama Kwatang's channel. For today's video, we're gonna make the delicious banana fritters, or we call it in our dialect, maruya, or sinapot, or baduya. May maruya ka na, may luncheon meat ka pa. But before we start, let me greet you a 1-month anniversary. Guys, time flies so fast. 1 month na tayo. All this time, you continue to follow, watch, like, and share of all my videos at Mama Kwatang's channel. To all my subscribers, viewers, family, and friends, thank you so much. And above all, I am thanking the Lord for everything. Because it is our 1-month anniversary, we're gonna make the delicious 2-in-1 banana fritters, or the 2-in-1 maruya. The first part is we're gonna make the plain banana fritters, or the maruya, and the other part we're gonna try to experiment making banana fritters with ube. There are 2 ways of making the maruya, or the banana fritters. One way is either you smash the bananas or slice the banana in this way, like that. Okay, as for our ingredients, it's really good to use the saba, or the saba. We call it in Visaya, saba, the saba bananas. But it's really hard to find saba here in abroad. For now, I am using the plantain banana, but I have 2 saba here, frozen. Actually, it is frozen. But for now, for the sake of the availability of bananas, I just use the plantain. Okay, as for our ingredients, guys, we have here 1/2 cup to 3/4 cups of evaporated milk, and then 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and then 1 egg. But this is really an optional. You can use egg or not. So this time we're gonna use 1 egg, and then 1/2 cup sugar, and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then salt, and 1 teaspoon of butter. And then, of course, as I said, for our 2-in-1 experiment, the ube, the purple yam, okay? So, first thing, we're gonna put in the bowl our flour, and then the sugar, okay? Mix lang, and then the baking powder, okay? And then
How much?
3 pinches of salt, and then the butter, okay, and the milk, the evaporated milk. So we put in the egg. So I have some reserved flour here in case we're gonna put on a little bit flour in here. And then the bananas, after all those ingredients being mixed, okay, just mix it thoroughly. And this time, because I want to do some experiment for the banana fritters, the maruya with the ube, we're gonna divide this into 2, okay? And then we just put maybe about 2 tablespoons the ube. Let's see, guys, how it works. Anong kalabasan nito mamaya. But I'm sure masarap to. I'm sure this is really good and delicious. I'll just add a little more of the flour for... When you see it's a little bit watery, just add a little bit flour for... Yeah. Okay, I think this is ready now, guys. Okay. Okay, let's do cooking. Okay, guys, frying time. So, first thing, I just want to show you the first way on how to do the maruya. So, we're gonna coat this one with the mixture. So, it's gonna fry this. So, this is the first thing that we're gonna do. So that is with the mixture. Yan. Okay, so it's up to you guys if we which way do you like to make. It's either the smashed or just slice the banana. Okay, yeah. Da da dan, da da dan, da da dan. So it's really good to have that trial and error. And if you fail making it, don't be discouraged. Just keep going and keep trying until you succeed. Don't you quit. Ta-da! Ta-da-dan, ta-dan, ta-da! Yan. And then now, the ube with the purple yam. So, yan. We will see later how it tastes with the ube. Just watch when you are frying the maruya or the banana fritters when it turns brown. So, and I think it's ready. So when you are cooking, guys, making some experiment, trial and errors, don't be discouraged. Keep on trying. Keep on trying until you succeed. Oh, wow. Mukhang luncheon meat. Looks like luncheon meat. May maruya ka na, may luncheon meat ka pa. Anyway, I love ube. I love purple yam. Okay, guys. Our banana fritters with the purple yam is now ready. Ta-da! Okay, this one, guys, is ready now. Ta-da! Guys, it's done. Ready. Okay, so since nilagyan ko na ng sugar a little bit, you can put more sugar in it, and then yeah. So yan. This side is the one with the ube, the purple yam. And this in the middle is the one, the other way of making and cooking the banana fritters. And this one is the plain one. Ta-da! And now, the most exciting part is the tikim-tikim, the tasting time. But before that, happy birthday to us. Happy 1-month anniversary, guys. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you so much for all your support. Okay? Blow the candle. Let us all blow the candle, okay? Wow. Okay, guys, the most exciting part is the tikim-tikim. And I have a special taga-tikim dito ngayon. And my one and only. Oh, this is Bayani. This is my one and only. Okay, so this one is with the ube. Okay? Let's see, guys, how it tastes.
God.
Can I try it? Oh, ano?
Yes.
Good? It's good? Okay, now we're gonna try the plain one without the purple yam, without the ube. Okay. So which one? Which one you like? The plain one or with the ube?
They're good. They're good. Yes.
They're all good? Okay. Okay. Finish it later, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, ayan guys, nagustuhan niya. At saka of course, alam ko if you will try this, magustuhan din ninyo itong banana fritters or the maruya plain or the banana fritters maruya with ube. Okay? And also, by the way, guys, I'd like to shout out, thank you so much, the whole family of Stills in Pickering, Ontario. They're watching my videos and the videos of Biani. And then also Mama Adria and Baby Ella. Oh, hugs and kisses for baby. Okay, take care, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for watching all my videos. Guys, I'll continue to agree and tap in the power prayers for Mindanao. Oh, my heart is broken for Mindanao. Guys, please, all my family and friends, I just encourage all of you, my subscribers, my viewers, to continue to pray for Mindanao. Let's come to agree and tap the power of prayers. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you continue to like and share and leave your comment below and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe Mama Kwatang's channel.